Hi, Jack.
Oh, hi Emma.
What's that?
It's a present for my mom. It's her birthday tomorrow, the 3rd of April.
What is it?
It's a bottle of perfume. Look.
That's nice. Has Jason got a present for her?
Yes, a CD of her favorite pop group.
Oh no, quick. There's your mom with Jason.
Where? Oh, it's okay, Emma. That's my Aunt Wendy. She's my mom's twin sister.
Oh, so it's her birthday tomorrow too.
Yes. Oh no. I haven't got Wendy a present.
Tere, Jack.
Oh, tere, Emma.
Mis see on?
See on kingitus minu emale. Homme 3. aprillil on tema sünnipäev.
Mis see on?
See on parfüüm, vaata.
See on ilus. Kas Jasonil on talle sünnipäevking ka?
Jah, tema popansambli CD.
Oh hei, kiiresti. Seal on su ema koos Jasoniga.
Kus? Okei, kõik on korras, Emma. See on mu tädi Vendi. Ta on minu ema kaksikõde.
Oh, siis on tal ju homme ka sünnipäev.
Jah, oh ei, mul ei ole Vendile kingitust.